Achieve ultra light mode in iOS 26 for light mode users. Here's a quick preview. Oh wow, that looks awesome. Just look at it. And turn on bold text. Now it looks much nicer. Which look do you prefer? Ultra light mode or ultra dark mode? Hi friends, welcome to Pre-Dev Tech. Thank you so much guys. You really love my ultra dark mode video for iPhone and the response has been amazing. If you haven't watched it yet, just click the video at the top right corner. And many of you asked for ultra light mode, so here it is. Today I'll show you how to achieve ultra light mode in iOS 26 for light mode users. Here's a quick preview, so let's get started. Here you can see the normal mode. To achieve ultra light mode, you'll need a white or light wallpaper. Go to settings, then tap wallpaper and choose a whitish wallpaper like these. Here are a few white options. Let me know which one you like most. For now, I'll choose this grey tree wallpaper. It fits nicely and works great with depth effect. Once selected, you can add lock screen widgets. We'll tweak the lock screen later. First, let's set up the home screen. After setting the wallpaper, you'll notice the blurred background. You can keep it, but I prefer showing the actual wallpaper. To do that, choose the wallpaper again for the home screen. Now you can see the real wallpaper. Next, open Display and Brightness, turn on light mode and select Tinted for liquid glass. Return to the home screen, long press, tap Edit at the top left, then tap Customize. You'll see 4 options: Default, Dark, Clear and Tinted. Tap Clear and you instantly get a clean white light mode. You can keep it like this, but advanced users can tweak it further. Long press again, tap Customize and choose Tinted. Slide the white bar to the left, then pick white from the screen. Now tap the sunlight icon at the top left. Notice how the icons become brighter and cleaner. Adjust the slider to get your perfect look. Now let me show you a tweak for users who don't like the glass effect. Open Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and turn on Reduce Transparency. Return to the home screen. The glass effect disappears and icons get a soft light grey background. This gives a clean, minimal look. Now let me add a white clock to match the theme. It's already looking beautiful. For a cleaner look, you can make the icons bigger. Tap the chat bubble style icon here. Wow, that looks so clean. Tap the sunlight icon again. Wow, amazing. Now for glass lovers, I'll turn off Reduce Transparency and long press the home screen. Tap the sunlight icon. Oh wow, that looks awesome. Just look at it. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more hidden iPhone tips and tricks, and it really motivates me to create more. Now let's tweak the lock screen. Long press the lock screen, tap the plus icon and choose a white wallpaper. Drag the clock to full screen. Tap the three dots, enable depth effect, and watch the tree appear over the clock. Add your widgets. Long press the clock. Move the white slider to the right. You'll see a very light clock style, but the widget text becomes hard to read. Tap the clock again, choose any color, and you'll see another slider appear. Then use the color wheel to select white. Move the slider right and the widget text becomes readable again. To enhance readability further, open Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and turn on Bold Text. Now it looks much nicer. So tell me in the comments, which look do you prefer? Ultra light mode or ultra dark mode? I'm really curious to know what you choose. If you enjoy iPhone customization tips like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next hidden tricks. And if you want to watch more iOS tips, just click the video at the top right corner. There are more amazing tweaks coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.